Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have a try on haul featuring Halara, but specifically focused around their leggings. Big shout out to Halara for partnering with me on this video to talk about their leggings sizing. I want to go over a couple of different styles. I think I have like 5 different styles here, 6 different styles here. I've got a lot, so we're gonna go through all of them, talk to you guys about the differences in the material and the fit and the style and all of that. I'm also gonna try them on for you guys so you can see how they fit, but I'm always impressed by Halara's quality. I think they make amazing quality pieces for an amazing price. I will go ahead and leave my coupon code here on the screen as well, and all the specific details in terms of the items that I'm going to be showing you, the sizing, and all of that will be in the description box down below. So if you guys have wanted to check out Halara's leggings, hopefully this video will help you kind of decide which ones to try. So let's go ahead and jump in. So the first pair, this is actually my favorite style that they do. It's called the Patitoff, which means if you have a furry friend, which I do, a furry friend who is very, very furry, these are like pet resistant. You can just pat off the dog hair. It's freaking amazing. I'll show you what I mean by that with my furry friend in just a minute. All right, we have the Patitoff leggings. Let's go bother Miss Winnie's. Let's go bother her. She's sleeping. Quiet. So, oh, he woke you up. Sorry. Can I bother you for a second? This is Miss Winnie. She is very hairy. I got some hair on there. See? Thank you, model wrinkles. These are their Patitoff pet resistant high-waisted crossover plain leggings. In the color Pacific Coastal, these are 7/8 length leggings. Cross-waist leggings just obviously make your waist look so cinched in, and I love that these have little tiny pockets on the side. They're nothing crazy. You really can't even tell that they're there, which I enjoy because I'm not a huge big pocket girl in my leggings, to be honest with you. They have no top seams at the like waistband to like cut you off at all. They are amazing, and they have no front seam. They do have a back seam in the bum area, which I enjoy because I feel like it gives some separation. But you've got super, super high-waisted. These don't have a ton of compression because they have that cross waistband, but so flattering. So that's the first pair. Okay, this next pair though, when I pulled these out, these feel like the most amazing fabric in the entire world. These are called the Cloudful fabric. Look at that stretch. These are so like naked feeling, like you literally feel like you're not wearing anything. I need these in more colors, I'm serious. They're like a brushed, buttery soft. Again, they have pockets, but so like seamless, like they're not big and bulky at all. And these also have that cross waistband. They look super tiny. I got all of my leggings in a small. I prefer more compressive leggings. If you don't, then you could go up a size. They fit really nice. They have a good amount of stretch to them. So these are beautiful. Again, they have the crossover. You can't see on screen, but the try-on you'll be able to see. No top seams, which I love, so you're not getting any digging or anything like that. Again, these are 7/8 length, and these are in the color Peacoat. I think these are definitely my favorite. If you are into that like no feeling, wearing nothing sort of vibe, then you're going to love these. Think Lululemon Aligns. Okay, these next pair I actually got in 2 different colors. I love these. These are super interesting because they're very compressive in the first half. They have like this almost like panel here that's like thicker and almost seems double lined, but it doesn't like fold or roll. So it is like this very, like when you feel it, you'll just notice a difference compared to any of the other material that they have. Besides that, seamless on top, does have slight pockets, no front seam. Again, in love. These are amazing. If you are like a girl who likes a lot of compression in that lower tummy area, you're going to be obsessed with these. This also has that V detail in the front as well as in the back, which I feel like is really flattering. These are stunning, but they're kind of tight. So that's what I mean by like, if you're in between sizes, you could size up in these. I did go with a small, but they're pretty compressive. Again, in the 7/8 length. These are a much more like sturdy tight. They're still stretchy, but they're thicker than the Cloudful for sure. So it feels more of like a training legging where you're not gonna be pulling them up all the time. Like these would be great for like maybe HIIT workouts and things like that, whereas the Cloudful would be great for yoga, Pilates, whatnot. These, again, the other color I got were these. You'll notice I like a lot of neutral leggings and tops and things like that, just so I can mix and match throughout my wardrobe. I feel like if they're very like earth tone neutrals, I consider blue neutral. I just do. This is neutral to me because it can be paired with black, it can be paired with tan, it can be paired with gray, like anything. So yeah, I got it in this blue color as well. Again, same little V detail, no front seam, side pockets, 7/8 length. In this, again, it's just a thicker, more performance-like tight. So if you're into like performance workouts, then I would recommend those ones for sure. And those are called the high-waisted side pocket shaping training leggings. I got 3 tops to match with those leggings. Like I said, they all mix and match because they're all within that same kind of neutral tone. I think this first top I actually own in black and in white. I love it. I love the neckline of this. It's just a scoop neck with like thicker straps. This is more of like a cottony brushed material, not super like flishy. And then it has this cross back detail, which is gorgeous. Built-in sports bra, so you don't have to worry about wearing anything underneath it. It's more of like a tank because it does go all the way down, like a long line sports bra slash cropped tank. But I love these in the black and the white, so I knew I wanted it in this like taupey gray sort of color. This is a style top that I've never tried, but I hear people talking about all the time. It's this little V-neck tank that has the scoop in the back, thin straps. This is very athletic-y material. Built-in sports bra underneath, kind of like a cropped tank slash long line, or cropped tank versus long line sports bra. This is stunning. This fits so nicely. I really enjoy it. So I got it in the black and in this like greeny sage color. Again, like just goes with all the color leggings and really is an awesome tank because you feel like you're sucked in, but you're not like letting everything hang out on the belly. That makes sense. And it's the perfect amount of cropped where it still peeks out of your like leggings where you don't look like you have a full unitard, but it's perfection. I love these tops, and I think the black and that like sage green are gonna go perfectly with all of my leggings that I chose. Let's move on to what people are calling yoga pants. These were like huge when I was younger, the cropped, or not cropped, flared leggings. So this first pair, I'm not gonna lie, this is a little bit too short on me personally. They're really cute though. They have that cross waistband. Again, they're just a tiny bit too short. So these do have the front seam and the back seam, but I didn't have any issues with CT, if you know what I mean. These are a thicker and nicer material, so you truly can wear them like as pants with like a hoodie or something like that. I lived in these when I was in college and in high school. They have a subtle flare, not really super flare. I'd say more of like a straight leg. And then this other pair though is truly like a big old bell bottom flare down there. So cute. These fit perfectly. The length on these are awesome. Has a little back pocket here that you could put like your key, a card, something like that. These do just have like a straight across waistband, and the length on these, like I said, is perfection. You could wear these with sneakers for just a really cute like fall look, layered up. So cute with some Uggs or sneakers. So cute. We used to tuck ours into our Uggs, but I feel like people are wearing them with the flare outside. So cute. And then they also did send over these. These are their best-selling pants, like legging pants. They remind me of jeggings a lot. Cute, very on trend with the cargos and the green. Long, kind of like a straight leg, slightly flared. They have a zipper and buttons, and then these 2 cargos on the top, and then they have this line that goes all the way down the middle, which are very flattering. And they also have this like sculpting on the bum. So apparently all the girlies are going crazy over these. So yeah, so that's everything that I picked up from my recent Halara haul. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. If there's any other specific items that you want to see from their site, kind of reviewed sizing wise and all of that, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. Again, I will have my general measurements and weight and all that just to help you with sizing. And I can speak to the quality of Halara leggings. I have some in my collection that I've had for well over a year now and look brand new. Like they don't pill, they hold on to their stretch, their seams are sewed really well. So like when you pull them on, have you ever pulled on a cheap pair of leggings and it like all the seams bust? Not the case with Halara. I think their leggings and their athletic dresses are stuff that they just, you cannot beat the quality. It's amazing. So again, all the links will be in the description box down below, as well as you can use my code right here on the screen to save a little extra at checkout. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video really, really soon.